Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss on important current affairs for 28th July. If the content is helpful, please share, like, comment and subscribe. First one. What is India's rank in gaining forest area according to Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations? Answer is third rank. As per the latest Global Forest Resource Assessment 2020 by Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, India has ranked third among the top 10 countries that have gained in forest areas during 2010 and 2020. This report examined the status of more than 60 forest related variables in 236 countries and territories in the period 1990 to 2020. India reported 0.38% annual gain in forest and ranked third. About Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, it is a specialized agency of the United Nations which was formed to make international efforts to defeat hunger and improve nutrition and food security. It was formed in 1945 and its headquarters is in Rome, Italy. Next one. Which state will host 4th Khelo India Youth Games? Answer is Haryana. Haryana will host the 4th Khelo India Youth Games. The Khelo India Youth Games is scheduled to take place after the Tokyo Olympics next year. The games will be held at Panchkula in Haryana. Usually, the Khelo India Youth Games take place in January every year. This time, due to COVID-19, the event have been postponed. Which state is in the top in previous Khelo India Youth Games? It was Maharashtra with 78 gold medals, 77 silver medals and 101 bronze medals. The event was held in Guwahati, Assam from 10th January 2020 to 22nd January 2020. When was the Khelo India Youth Games started? It was in year 2018 and the winner in the first event was Haryana. Next one. When is Kargil Vijay Divas celebrated in India? Answer is 26th July. Kargil Vijay Divas is celebrated in India on 26th July. This day marks India's victory over Pakistan in the Kargil War. On July 26, 1999, Indian government started Operation Vijay and declared victory of a 3-month-long battle in Kargil. The Kargil War is an armed conflict between India and Pakistan that took place along line of control. And when is Army Day celebrated? It is on 15th January. When was the Indian Army founded? In 1895. And who is the present Chief of Army Staff? General Manoj Mukund Naravne. Next one. Central government issued the certificate of GI registration for saffron grown in. Answer is Jammu and Kashmir. The central government has issued a certificate of GI registration for saffron grown in the Kashmir Valley. With the GI tag, Kashmir saffron will acquire more significance in the export market and will help the farmers to get a better price. What is GI certification? The GI certification establishes specific geographical origin and certifies certain unique qualities of the product and also enables those who have the right to use sign in order to prevent third parties using the sign. The GI certification will also prevent the adulteration of Kashmir saffron and thereby authenticated saffron will fetch much better prices. Remember, in India, saffron is grown in Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir. Next one. Union Minister Amit Shah has distributed 100 electric potter wheels to artisans under which scheme of Khadi and Village Industries Commission? Answer is Kumar Sashактikaran Yojana. Union Home Minister Amit Shah distributed 100 electric potter wheels to trained artisans in Gujarat under the Kumar Sashактikaran Yojana of the Khadi and Village Industries Commission. This initiative will strengthen the marginalized potters community by incorporating technology to improve productivity. Kumar Sashактikaran program is an initiative which was launched by the Khadi and Village Industries Commission in 2018 for empowerment of the potters community in the remotest locations in the country. About KVIC, KVIC was formed in 1957 by the Government of India with a view of development of Khadi and village industries in the rural areas. Headquarters of KVIC is in Mumbai. Next one. What is the name of mobile app launched by Bureau of Indian Standards recently? Correct answer is BIS Care. BIS Care is the name of the app launched by Bureau of Indian Standards. This app will help the consumers in checking the authenticity of the ISI marked and hallmarked products and also for lodging complaints. This app was launched by the Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. Who is the Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution? Sri Ram Vilas Paswan. The Bureau of Indian Standards is the national standards body of India. It was formed in the year 1986 and its headquarters is in Old Delhi. And also remember, the Director General of Bureau of Indian Standards is Pramod Kumar Tiwari. Next one. Which state government has launched a portal for job seekers named Rozgar Bazaar recently? Answer is Delhi. Delhi government has launched a portal for job seekers named Rozgar Bazaar. This portal is a marketplace for job seekers and recruiters. This portal is an initiative taken by Delhi government to revive the economy of Delhi. The job seekers can fill in their qualifications in the portal, and in the same way the recruiters can fill their requirements. This bridges the gap between the job seekers and recruiters. Recently, in one of our previous video, we discussed about the app launched by actor Sonu Sood for migrants to find job opportunities. What is the name of that app? It is Pravasi Rozgar app. So please remember, portal launched by Delhi government is Rozgar Bazaar and the app launched by Sonu Sood is Pravasi Rozgar app. What is the capital of Delhi? New Delhi. Chief Minister of Delhi is Arvind Kejriwal and Governor is Anil Baijal. Next one. Indian Railways is constructing world's first electrified double stack container tunnel in which state? Correct answer is Haryana. The Indian Railways is constructing the world's first electrified double stack container tunnel through Aravalli mountain range near Sohna in Haryana. Double stack container goods train will be able to run at a speed of more than 100 km from within the tunnel. In the first phase, 2 corridors are being built on the eastern corridor and western corridor. The tunnel connects Mewat and Gurugram district of Haryana. About Haryana, capital of Haryana is Chandigarh and Chief Minister of Haryana is Manohar Lal Khattar and Governor is Satyadev Narayan Arya. Next one. Benjamin Kappa passed away recently. He was a former president of which country? Answer is Tanzania. Benjamin Kappa was a former Tanzanian president. He is known for his work to end conflict in East Africa during and after his decade of power in 1995. He won the country's first multi-party elections in 1995 and was re-elected for a second 5-year term in 2000. He led several regional peace mediation initiatives and afterwards continued his work in peace initiatives in Burundi, Kenya, Democratic Republic of Congo and the Great Lakes region. Where is Tanzania located? Tanzania is located in East Africa. What is the capital of Tanzania? Dodoma, and its currency is Tanzanian shilling. Next one. Who won the 2020 FWA Footballer of the Year award? Answer is Jordan Henderson. Jordan Henderson is the winner of 2020 FWA Footballer of the Year award. Jordan Henderson is an English professional footballer who is Liverpool's Premier League title winning captain. He played in 30 of Liverpool's league matches so far this season and scored 4 goals. Full form of FWA is Football Writers Association. The Football Writers Association is an association of football journalists and correspondents writing for English newspapers and agencies which recognizes the best performing footballers. These are the important current affairs for 28th July. If the content is helpful, please share, like, comment and subscribe.